How to send payment request on Payoneer. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send payment request on Payoneer. So first of all, just simply open the Payoneer's official website. Just simply type Payoneer INC and just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top. And now just simply click on sign in if you already have an account in Payoneer, and just enter your credentials in order to log into your account successfully in order to request a payment. So I'm going to enter my credentials right here. You can enter yours. Just enter your email address or phone number that you have mentioned here. Just enter your password. And once you have entered your email address or your username and password, just simply click on sign in. And a verification code will be sent to your registered mobile number in the Payoneer account, and just enter that and you will be log into your account successfully. And once you're there in your Payoneer account, in order to request a payment, all you have to do is just simply click on the get paid section from the left hand side menu screen, and over here you will be able to see the option called request a payment. Just simply tap on it, and now you can see that I have already have a person I have sent the request for. So I will show you in this particular section only. So just select the person you want to send the request to, and after that you have to enter their details like their email address, their country and other things, and just enter the payment details. So for example, you want to receive $400 in the payment, and then you have to select the currency in which you want to receive the payment. You can select USD, Euro and pounds. So just select accordingly, and over here just enter the description of the kind of payment that you're receiving. So it could be anything. So you can write freelancing or video work or anything like that, and then just simply enter the payment due details like the date and person who are sending the request. So you can enter your name, and you can enter your name or any other person name through which you are sending the payment request, and click on next over here. And then you have to attach the invoice over here. So just simply click on it and select the invoice from your device. So for example, this is the invoice. Just simply click on OK. And once you have selected the details, and so once you have entered the details successfully and selected the invoice, you just simply have to click on request payment. And as soon as you click on request payment, a link will be generated. Just simply copy that particular link and just send the particular link to the person you are receiving the payment, and that person will make the payment for you, and you will receive your payment quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to send payment request on Payoneer. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.